Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making delicious tandoori chicken with grilled mozzarella on a garlic bread. Gonna serve it with some mayonnaise. It's gonna be amazing, trust me. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna marinate the chicken. So I'm using here cumin powder. Got here some beautiful coriander powder. For a layer heat, I'm using here red chili powder. And I'm using here tandoori powder. A good pinch of black pepper. Salt to taste. Lemon juice for some freshness. Finish this off with a good mix to this. Turn into a paste. Now I've got here some beautiful thinly sliced chicken breast. Just put it straight in. I'm gonna marinate this beauty. Grab your hands, make sure to wash them, and just start to mix it. Smells amazing. We're gonna leave this aside 15 to 20 minutes, or you can leave this overnight. Choice is yours. Add a touch of oil. Let's start adding this beautiful chicken inside. Here we go. 6 to 7 minutes on each side, getting nice and charred up on both sides, amazing. Remove all that cooked chicken here on the boat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the knife and let's slice it. Just going to cut it like this. Beautiful, look at this. Oh my days, it's amazing. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Cut it. Go ahead, this beautiful garlic. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the knife on the top and smack it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Grab a little ball like this one. Grab this garlic crusher, put the garlic in nice and slow and squeeze that baby. So, and now I'm just gonna add some dried parsley, salted butter. Go ahead, this beautiful naan bread, that butter and garlic. I'm just gonna rub it all over. Just a little bit, not too much here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some chicken here. There you go. Don't be shy. Add as much chicken as you want. Gonna add a bit more chicken here. Can't wait to add mozzarella. Look at this baby. Alright, now we're gonna put this in the grill. Goes in the grill. Open it here. Just place it here in the middle. So in the oven for 8 minutes on 220 Celsius. Let's make a quick sauce to go with this. I've got here some mayonnaise. Just gonna add this here. And now I'm just gonna add this finely chopped coriander, some black pepper, Tandoori Masala. Finish off with a touch of lemon juice. Give it a good mix to this. Done. Have a little taste. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious. Look at it. Bismillah. Wow. Look at this. With some sauce. Alhamdulillah, so good. Chicken is perfectly cooked and the sauce is amazing. All the garlic, very easy to make and really delicious. Make sure you definitely try it. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos.